everybody, we've got another demo today. This is a little Alto ukulele, number 321. It is a Bearclaw spruce top. Nice little figure in that. And a very cool grafted pistachio back and sides. Pistachio binding all around. Found a funky little fretboard with a little place to fill some epoxy there. Funky pistachio, and some old floorboards for the neck, old Douglas fir floorboards. And we had an Alto last week, remember, that was all myrtle, and I think that really was a nice new take on a small ukulele traditional sound. And this one with the spruce top and the pistachio back and sides is certainly not traditional. And I think they both sound good. I think they sound a little bit different, and I'm pleased to hear a little bit of a difference. Yeah, it's really fun to play. It feels like it's got that small ukulele sound, enough of the small ukulele sound, but this new Alto design I feel like is giving a little more volume, a little more tone, a little more sustain than normal, especially with the spruce top. So it's a winner. It's ready to go.